We have made it here to Thung Nham Ecological Tourist Area. Check out those vibes over there, guys. Look at those trees over there. I think we're going to go over there for a walk. This looks familiar. I know I haven't been here, but it does look familiar. That's the bus. Alright guys, this is the map. We are up there. Looks like we're going to walk around that area and check out the vibes, basically. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I speak English not good.
English no good. Oh, no problem, no problem.
With you so much.
I can teach you English. I can teach you English. It's not summer, so the flowers are not that big at the moment. But I guess in summer they bloom a lot. I'm sure on a nice, beautiful blue sky day, this place is spectacular. Alright guys, looks like the bird park is this way. We should check it out. They love their selfies here in Vietnam. Beautiful. Not sure what the name of this tree is, but awesome colors. And this looks like roses, but are they real? Some birds from the sanctuary. Thung Nham. Hope I said that right. These guys taking selfies. Look at these hats. Oh, they're lights. You do see the Vietnam woman wearing these. They've actually turned these into like light shades. So maybe at night, when the lights are on, it looks pretty cool. It's one lot here and another lot over there. Some beautiful gardens over there, guys. It's a nice little pond. Wonder if there's any crocodiles in there or fish. Let's check out those cool huts. Looks like somebody's home and homes. Check these out. Got light bulbs in them. Hello. Some here. Got light bulbs in them. I think they're made out of harakeke, flax is what we call them back in New Zealand. The English name is flax, the Maori name is harakeke. Not sure what the Vietnamese name is of them. Look at all these different trees here too, guys. This is pretty awesome. Nature vibes. Now apparently we are going to check out the moving Banyan tree. There is some superstitious and mythology around it at how the Banyan tree moves. It like moves a few meters. I'm not sure how long it takes to move, but I guess it's to do with the roots and new roots. But superstitiously they say that when the temple was destroyed here, the Banyan tree moved towards the lake. Then when they built the new temple, the Banyan tree kind of walked back towards the temple, the new one. So we're going to check it out anyway. Yes! My student here. This is Ling. Her nickname is Pizza because she likes pizza. So she's one of my students. So I'm with a lot of the parents here that I teach their children with. So we've come along to Ninh Binh for the day. Check out these swings. They're pretty huge. Good for the kids. There's all sorts of bits and pieces here. Sculptures, activities, swings. Wonder if this can take my weight. We shall see. Hey! Good fun. Got to try the swing when you come here. This looks like a island fale meeting house. They love getting their selfies here. Anyone who's got a phone, they're into selfies. Anyway guys, looks like rock formations here. I'm going to go check out the banyan tree. Look at all these little gardens they've built here. These are so cool. Amazing. All these rock formations. Here's another bike. Gotta love the bike styles. Alright, so this is the banyan tree. That looks like the little temple they've built for it. So they reckon it's moved 10 centimeters over the past year. How they determine that, I have no idea. But the banyan trees are very unique because the roots actually come up. You can see them all over the Pacific actually. So this is the moving banyan tree. Kia ora, moving banyan tree. Huge, massive tree. And over here is the little temple that people have built to honor this tree. See how the roots have come up? You'll see these all over Southeast Asia and the Pacific. Cambodia especially have a lot of these. Siem Reap. Lots of banyan trees in the Pacific, Vanuatu. Here we go. The moving banyan tree. Look at all these vegetables here, guys. I wonder what these are. Potatoes? No, they don't look like potatoes. Alright, we're going to head up there. There's the big banyan tree. See you later, banyan tree. Maybe it'll move that way in another 10 years. Check out this well, guys. Very clean. A clean well. Don't want to drop the camera down there. People taking selfies. Anyway, let's continue the walk around Thung Nham Bird Park. Look at all the gardens here. Lots of veggies. Organic food styles. Here we go. Nothing wrong with growing your own food. Alright guys, we have caught up with the team. All of the team here. Yay! Okay, so we caught up with the team and we're heading to the bird park itself. So hopefully we can catch some birds. I don't think I'll fly the drone here. Don't want to hit any of those birds. But yeah man, it's nice and calm. Whole bunch of other people on the water, checking out the vibes as well. You can see a little bit of the drizzle. There's the rest of our team over here. These guys, so serene and beautiful. These guys. Go under the bridge. These guys. Under the bamboo bridge. Bamboo and steel. Look at that setting, guys. Beautiful. Looks like a movie set. Something out of King Kong. Alright, you can see some birds down there in the distance. Let's go check out these birds. Wonder if there's any crocodiles in here. Or water snakes. Guys, check out that setting there. Look at all those birds. I think they're herons. Those birds are herons. Or from the heron family. Look at all the vegetation as well. I wonder what the water's like. Oh, it's quite warm. So peaceful and quiet here. No wonder why they love to come here. Look at them all. So many birds, guys. From a distance, they actually look like vultures. How many? 40 kinds of birds. Right. So many. Look at them all, just hanging around, chillaxing. It's like thousands of them. Just chillaxing there in the trees. Amazing. So many. Look at them just chillaxing there. Natural habitat. Good to observe them in their natural habitat where they're untouched. And this vegetation here is amazing too. Sitting on the top of the water. Alright guys, looks like we are going to depart the boat and head out of the bird park. It's been an awesome experience checking out the nature vibes here. You need at least a good full day to check out this whole park. We missed a couple of things, but I think we'll return here in the future. It's pretty awesome. Goodbye. She did a good job, that lady. Anyway guys, we are about to depart and head on out of the bird park. It's been awesome checking out the nature vibes here. We're going to head back to Hanoi and probably stop and grab some dinner on the way. But it's been an enjoyable day here back in Ninh Binh, checking out the temple and of course the bird park here. It's been sensational. Anyway guys, Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you guys on the next video. Experience the journey, inspire others, live life, guys.